England Tour of India 2025 Third T20 at Niranjan Shah Stadium, Rajkot. India won the toss, elected to field first. England 20 overs, 171 runs, 9 wicket. England top batting scorer Ben Duckett 28 balls, 51 runs. Then India team best bowling spell Varun Chakraborty 4 overs, no maiden, 24 runs, 5 wicket. India 20 overs, 145 runs, 9 wicket lost. England won by 26 runs. India team best batting scorer Hardik Pandya 35 balls 40 run. Then England top bowling spell Jamie Overton 4 overs no maiden 24 runs 3 wicket. Player of the match Varun Chakraborty. Congratulations England cricket team.